Ever scanned one of these little pixelated squares with your phone and instantly open a website? That's a QR code. How does it actually work? Let's break it down. QR stands for Quick Response. It's a type of barcode that holds way more information than the old-school barcodes you see on grocery items. While a normal barcode holds info horizontally, a QR code stores data both horizontally and vertically, giving it the ability to store hundreds of times more data. A QR code looks like random black and white squares, but it's actually organized chaos. Here's what you're really seeing. Position markers, 3 big squares at the corners. Help your phone's camera know the code's orientation. Timing patterns. Allow your scanner to understand the grid layout. Format and version info. Tell the scanner how to decode the rest. Data modules. These tiny squares hold the actual content, like a link, text, or contact info. Error correction. Even if part of the code is damaged or dirty, it can still be scanned, thanks to built-in error correction. So, what happens when you scan a QR code? 1. Your phone's camera detects the position markers to find the code. 2. It reads the timing lines to understand the grid. 3. Then it decodes the data modules, turning those black and white patterns into binary code. 4. Finally, that binary gets translated into readable info, like a URL or a payment instruction. In under a second, all this decoding happens right inside your phone. QR codes can store up to 7,000 plus numbers or 4,000 plus letters. That means they can link to websites, display plain text, store Wi-Fi passwords, contact info, calendar events, and even trigger app downloads. Ever been to a cafe and scanned a QR to get free Wi-Fi? That's how. But not all QR codes are safe. Since they can hide links, some might take you to phishing sites or install malware. Always preview the link before opening. Use trusted apps or built-in scanners. Avoid scanning random codes in public places. Fun fact: QR codes were invented in Japan in 1994 by DensoWave, originally to track car parts. Today, they're everywhere, from grocery stores to crypto payments. So the next time you scan a QR code, remember, it's more than just a square. It's a mini data vault, decoded in a flash. If you learned something cool today, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech explained simply, and drop a comment. QR code made our lives easy. Thanks for watching.